London faces increasing water stress. Although the city receives heavy rainfall every year, most of it flows straight into the drainage system. Meanwhile, Londoners use more water than anywhere else in the UK. To address this, we need more than infrastructure, we also need education. Inspired by the city's climate resilient schools initiative, I asked myself, how can rainwater collection be embedded into playful public installations to foster children's understanding of water sustainability? Then I do some field research. To explore this question, I began observing children after school in local parks, playgrounds, and open spaces. I interviewed parents to learn what kinds of environmental activities truly engage kids. I reviewed KS2 textbooks to understand their existing knowledge of water cycles. Then, I consulted educators, designers, and curators to understand what makes an interactive water installation both educational and fun. So my goal became clear: to design an interactive public installation embedded in everyday community spaces. Then is concept development. I started sketching ideas. Early version focused on DIY style water paths with solar panels, but components were too easy to lose in public spaces. One concept was too large for the community setting. Open structures also risk attracting birds or debris. More importantly, without real rain, using tap water undermined the core message of sustainability. So I took a step back. The final concept focuses on filtration stage, a semi-enclosed system that attaches to a fence with sliding track interaction to engage children in understanding how rainwater is treated. Then is prototyping and testing. I tested slope panel structures, but found that parts were too easy to remove or lose. I created the same mock-ups of the rain capture dome and water storage unit to ensure correct sizing. I experimented with the smoothness of the sliding track and built a full-scale simulation of the final interaction process. So, in the final model, children can guide rainwater along a path using the sliding track. As the water flows, it passes through multiple visible filtration layers. Even without rain, this track can still be used with sand from the playground. The water storage unit is semi-transparent so kids can observe water levels. Stickers placed near each module explain what's happening, turning interaction into understanding. So the flowchart of the product is: first, the children checks for collected water, then they adjust the track to guide the flow, and then they open the valve and watch the water move through each filter. Each step reveals how rainwater becomes clean and usable, make the invisible visible. So finally, I want my project turns everyday public space into an opportunity for learning, help children see, touch, and understand the value of rainwater.